Hot.
Provincial had it once, and my mom's like, "You okay?" And I got really upset, and I got like, "Oh God, I'm nervous." And I'm.
It can be nerve-wracking, but I think you got it. Like the deep breaths. I always think for any kind of performing, it's that deep, low belly breath. You'd want to breathe right way down into your guts. Some somatic secrets. Throw in a yawn. You can make yourself yawn. I know it sounds weird, but I swear to God it works.
That's just
It'll
weird.
help you. Yeah.
Wow, I like it. Great opportunity to be here, and I love people. So thanks a lot again.